In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a hierarchy in Smartsheet so you can organize tasks, projects, and information into clear parent and child relationships. First, open your Smartsheet and create a new sheet or open an existing one that contains your data. Next, enter your main tasks or categories. These will act as the parent rows in your hierarchy. Now, add the related tasks or items directly below each parent row. These will become your child rows. Once your rows are arranged correctly, select the child rows that belong under a parent task. Then, click the indent button in the toolbar. The selected rows will move slightly to the right, creating a hierarchy beneath the parent row. Repeat this process for each group of tasks until your entire sheet is organized into logical sections. As you build the hierarchy, you'll notice expand and collapse controls appear next to parent rows. Use these controls to show or hide child tasks and keep your sheet organized. If you need to adjust the structure, select a child row and click outdent to move it back up a level. A well-organized hierarchy makes project planning, task tracking, and reporting much easier by clearly showing how tasks relate to one another. That's it, you've successfully created a hierarchy in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.